Finally, Maharashtra government had taken a decision to shift RA Metro Carshed Depot to the Kanjurmarg, and right now I'm standing at this particular land which is in Kanjurmarg, and here only the RA, we can say the Metro Carshed will be coming up from the RAs, because this particular land is basically belongs to Maharashtra government. It's a 41 hectare land which Maharashtra government owns, and this particular land Maharashtra government has transferred without any cost to they have given it to the RA, we can say Metro Carshed Depot. Without wasting time, what you can see, yesterday only Maharashtra government or Uddhav Thackeray had announced the decision, and you can see the soil testing is happening since yesterday. So this is a basic thing while doing any infrastructure work. The company or the concerned company usually do this kind of soil testing to check whether this land is appropriate for such kind of infrastructure project or not, and this is happening. So there will be 5 different spots at this 41 hectare land where the soil testing will be happening, and I'll ask my camera person to show you the visuals or show you the samples of which they have extracted. You can see these are the rocks which they have extracted during this soil testing. This is a 2-meter rock. You can see that fragmented and fractured rock is there, but slowly they will go deep, and you can see this kind of rock. Therefore, this is a new one. This one they have just extracted at 9 meters, and they are intent to go deep till 20 meters. So this will take another 5-10 days to complete, because there are, as I said, there are 5 to 10. As I said, there are 5 basically spots where they will be doing this soil testing. But now let's talk about the politics which is happening around this entire issue. After Uddhav Thackeray announced yesterday that Maharashtra government had taken this decision to shift RA Carshed to Kanjurmarg land, immediately BJP started criticizing the Maharashtra government's decision. We heard the BJP leaders who basically raised the issue of cost escalation as well as the we can say the tenure extension, because according to BJP, or we can say according to Kirit Somaiya, BJP leader, who basically given that reaction, he said that due to this particular decision of Maharashtra government, more 5,000 crore rupees the state government have to spend on this particular project, and the tenure, which was somewhere around 3 years, will also get increased by 2 more years, and the cost of those 2 years will also increase. We saw Devendra Fadnavis, who is the former Maharashtra CM, tweeting about this decision. He clearly said it's kind of an unfortunate decision that Maharashtra government has taken. So certainly, on one hand, Maharashtra government has clearly said that we want to save the RA because it's one of the green lands Mumbai has got, and that is the only, I will say, that only green lands Mumbai has got. Maharashtra government also took a decision to increase the forest area within the Mumbai city from 600 acres to 800 acres. But on other hand, we are seeing that lot of criticism coming from the principal opposition party, that is BJP. Top leaders are criticizing it, calling it unfortunate decision. I'll ask my cameraman Vinayak to show you the visuals again. You can see the way. So though the criticism is coming from BJP and opposition parties about this decision and calling it as unfortunate, but still Maharashtra government has gone ahead with the decision. They have started doing the soil testing, and they are not wasting any time, because Uddhav Thackeray had clearly said that they don't want anything at the cost of Greenland. Even in past, we have seen when Shiv Sena was part of BJP government, Devendra Fadnavis-led government, that time Devendra Fadnavis took this decision to construct the car shed at RA colony. That time Shiv Sena took total opposite stand. They opposed this move. We saw Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray opposing this particular move, and it was Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray, who clearly said that if we come to power, we will not allow Metro Carshed to get constructed in RA. And what they said, they have done it. They have taken this decision. The Mahavikas Aghadi government took this decision, and now you can see behind me the work, the basic work has already started. With camera person Vinayak, Mayuresh Kanpate for Mirror Now.